Morning guys, it's absolutely freezing today, -1 again. Don't know what's going on with the weather. Today we're working in Oxford for a chap that we do quite a lot of work for. He's got a job for us. I believe it's a shop, a basement and 2 flats. We've got to do 2 periodic inspections on the flats, some work in the shop, and they've just had the basement tanked out. Sorry about the lighting, but it's pitch black. It's actually 5:51. I'm going to be leaving the house at 6 to get to somewhere for about 6:30 to meet with Andy, and then we're jumping the same van because it's in the centre of Oxford and there's no parking. I think there's parking for 1 space, otherwise you've got to pay for parking all day, which we're not doing that. So let's head on down to the meeting point and we'll go through the job and we'll have a look at it. Right, we're at the meeting point. I'm just dropping off Mrs. Reeve. She's here. She's got a lift with me today. Luckily, she's working local to where I'm working, so I've managed to drop her off. She's got to wait an hour and a half for work, but at least she's got a lift. There's a shout out for the Civic boys. Anyone, I've got a slight vibration about 1300 RPM. I think I know what it is. I think it's the dog bone mount on top of the engine, the torquey one on top. I think that's on its way out. So if anyone's got any ideas, give me a message below. So we're just gonna wait for Andy to turn up, and then we're gonna go to the job.
Bye.
Bye. Right, sorry guys, a bit dark, but we're at the meeting point. Andy's just pulled in behind me in his new van. He's just getting out. We're going to unload all my tools into the van, and then we're going to jump in the van, do a bit of filming because he don't like getting on film, so we're going to get him on film today. So we'll see you in a minute. Right, we're now in Andy's van, Andy's new van. We're on the job. We're waiting for I think they're coming at 7:30. We're here at 6:50 now, so we're really early, but we're probably going to walk because we are in the centre of Oxford, but we're going to walk and get coffee, so got to have your morning coffee. So all the tools are in the back. We're going to do that, and then we're going to see what the job is. We've been walking around like muppets looking for a coffee shop, and nothing's open until bloody 8 o'clock. What good is that? What sort of bloke starts work at 8 o'clock here? Finally, we've got a coffee. It's 8 o'clock and we're still not in the job. We're waiting for some bloke to turn up. Don't know who he is, never met him before, so I'll let you know how we get on. So this is like a basement job. Obviously it's quite hard to film because there's a lot of blokes here, but you might think I'm a bit of a weirdo filming, but we'll see.
Right, so exactly, so come.
Old shop, which we're going to be doing some work in. We're going to be putting a new board in here, fuse board. We've asked for 4 fluorescent lights. Got to put a couple of power sockets over here. New ring made throughout the bottom floor. And this just putting a bit of trunking on the light switch. So yeah, get the lights up in a minute. Tony, you'll be proud of that, Tony. Look at that. Very beautiful. Okay, here we've just got some quite neat little boxes. They have a little knockout, double or single PVC, and you get these little trunking knockouts that fit in the top. It makes it a really neat transition between the trunking and the box. We're mounting the sockets at 450 to the centres, off the floor, off finished floor level, and the switches are at 1200 to the bottom there. Boys, we made it to 12 o'clock. Job's going well. We've probably got a couple of days on this one. Just come to the van for a breath of fresh air because we are working in a basement. It's not dirty or anything, it's clean and brand new, but know what I mean? It's nice to get a bit of daylight. Sun is now shining, it's typical. You're inside, now you've got lovely weather. So yeah, we've got a couple of days on this one. I'm going to crack on with it, and I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, we're back in the van. It's 1 o'clock, which is lunchtime, which is a good time of the day. Every electrician and every trade know that. Andy's nipped to the little boys' room. We are cracking on with the job. We got most of it done. I think we got 2 days, 3 days at max on this, but we'll smash this in 2 days. So we'll make the lad a bit of money, which he'll be happy about, which is nice for him. Wednesday, so it's Monday today. Wednesday we're at another job, a big house which we've been on for a while actually. We've got to go back there because there's sort of the builders doing it in stages, so we're going back there to do a bit more wiring. So I might actually do a little video on Wednesday for that. So if you're liking these videos, just leave a comment below. I'll give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you at 3 o'clock for the journey home. Kitchen socket, pull it around, pick up the existing extract, do the wall. Andy, what's the top tip for today?
Top tip today, get somebody else to do it.
That's not a top tip.
Tell you mine was.
Nice existing shot wiring, we've got to sort this out tomorrow. Somehow this is lights and nice little socket block there, which is very nice. I think Andy might keep this and take that home. Right, that's it, the day's done. We've earned our money today, I think. Hopefully the guy's happy with what we've done. We're going home to get my car. We're not going home, we're going to get my car, and then I'm going to be going home, pick the wife up. Andy's going to go home and have his dinner because he's really hungry. Bless him, he's eating his nails, look, he's that hungry. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more electrical videos, just give me a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.